In this video, we're going to set up the parental controls on Snapchat. Parents, if you've been to a Street Hope training, you know that we don't love this app because it is not parent friendly. This app is designed to help your kids hide things from you. Parent features here are not great, and Snapchat does not play nicely with parent monitoring apps, so be aware of all of that moving forward. The first thing we're going to do is to disable location sharing for Snapchat. We recommend you do this in the privacy settings of your child's device because if you only use ghost mode in the app, your kids can turn it off and on, or even turn it on for other people and hide it from you. We have another easy video showing you how to do that on our website. If you've already turned location sharing off in the device, you can't edit the settings in Snapchat, which is fine, but if you want to have both features set up as a fallback, go to the privacy settings of your child's device, temporarily turn on location sharing for Snapchat, and then open Snapchat back up. Okay, once you're there, you'll see a little mannequin in the top left. Click that and it will open settings. You can also access settings anywhere you see this little gear icon. Click on the gear and scroll down to Privacy Controls, and then click See My Location. You want to select Ghost Mode, which stops other users from accessing your child's location. Remember, Snapchat is sharing your child's location in real time. Okay, now you can go back to the privacy settings in your child's device and turn location sharing off for Snapchat. All right, let's work on some other features. Open Snapchat back up, click the gear icon or the mannequin to get back to settings, and then scroll down to notifications. Once you see that, you'll tap on that and disable trending public content. Parents, just because it's trending doesn't mean you want your kids looking at it. In fact, usually not. This will at least stop them from getting a notification and being encouraged to click. You want the switch to be gray. Gray is off, green is on, so turn it to gray. Okay, then back out one step and scroll down to Add Preferences, and you want to click on that. Okay, there's going to be several options, and you want to turn all of these options from green to gray. This will help filter out a lot of the pornographic ads that your kids might be getting. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing under Lifestyles and Interests. There are a whole lot of options here, but essentially, if you'll turn them all to gray, that's going to be safer. You can, of course, go through and review these individually if you want to, but gray on all of these will make them turned to off. Okay, let's back out one step and scroll down to Manage Contacts. You want to disable Share Contacts with Snapchat. Your kids can still add their friends, but they have to add someone by physically being with the person. This will help prevent some of the fake accounts from accessing your kids. So go ahead and click on Removed Synced Contacts from Snapchat here as well. Okay, now let's set your child's account to private. We always recommend private social media accounts to help keep your child safe. There are around 3 million Snapchat users, and we don't want every one of them to be able to access your kids. So go back to Privacy Controls where we turned on Ghost Mode earlier and choose View My Story. Okay, and then you're going to turn that to My Friends. Then back out and choose Contact Me, and you're also going to set that to My Friends. So we're saying for each of these that only their approved friends can view what they post and contact them. Okay, then go back one step and choose See Me in Quick Add. This is a feature where they might get randomly recommended to other users, so you want to turn that from green to gray. Remember, gray is off. Okay, now we're going to turn on Family Center. For this part, you'll need to have your phone and your child's phone or device with you. So you have to have your own Snapchat account on your own device to set these features up. You don't have to post content, but you do need to have an account for any social media accounts your kids use to help you monitor them. So go create an account on your own phone if you don't already have one. It should be easy to download the app from the App Store, or if you have an Android, Google Play, and then it will walk you through setting up an account. Open your account and add your child as a friend. You'll need to get on their account to approve it, but make sure that you're friends on Snapchat. Okay, now you're going to be on your device for just a minute. Okay, to add your child as a friend, you're going to hit the plus button in the top right corner, and then you just start to type in their username, and then you'll be able to add them. Okay, so once you've added your child as a friend, we're going to go back to your device for just a minute. Okay, so you're going to click on Family Center. Invite your child by choosing their name from the list that shows up. Now we're going to go back to your child's device and choose Chat from the bottom bar. and then open the message that your account just sent to them, and you'll accept the invitation. Now go back to your device and go through settings back to Family Center and open it. You'll see info there on your child's friends list. You can see who they've messaged in the last 7 days. You can't read these messages, but you can see the users that they're talking to. And if you see any suspicious users, you can of course report them to Snapchat here. The last thing in Snapchat is that this app works as a photo vault, which allows your child to upload pictures to a private hidden album on Snapchat and then delete them off their device. So essentially they can hide pictures from you. To get to this feature on your child's device, back all the way out from the settings and touch the camera button on the bottom bar. Swipe up and see Memories, and at the far right you'll see My Eyes Only. This is the name of the album. So this requires a 4-digit passcode, and you want to make sure that you have that code if your child has a Snapchat account. Parents, this is going to be a different code than their password, which gets you into Snapchat, but you want to make sure that if you have a child using this account that you have both of these. Parents, this is a good start on helping monitor Snapchat some, but the app itself is really not working in your favor. Messages disappear from your child's device, so it's really tough to monitor what they're doing on this app. Just stay on top of it and talk to your kids about the risks of communicating on apps like this, sharing their location, which can be dangerous for them and your whole family, and communicating online with people they don't know. And you also want to mention to them that even though the messages disappear from their device, Snapchat servers keep a record forever. So everything that they're doing on this app is being recorded somewhere. Of course, if you have questions, we'll help however we can. Feel free to reach out to us.